Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you modeling a classical vaulted ceiling in Maya. So let's get started. Take a polygon cylinder, rotate the cylinder 90 degree along z-axis, subdivision caps type here 0, radius type 4, height type 8. Select these two faces, press delete, go to front view, select the lower face, press delete, go to object mode, go to perspective view. Now go to modify, center pivot, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this and rotate this 90 degree, minus 90 degree along x-axis. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Select multicut tool. Select this one. Click one point here and first select this one. Go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, select multiple edge loop, number of edge loop type 1 and insert one edge loop here and select this object, insert another edge loop just here, go to object mode, select these two objects, edit, delete by type, delete history, turn on X-ray mode, select this object, select multicut tool, click one point here and another point here, one point here, press enter. Now click one point here, another point here and also another point here, press enter. Select this object, multicut tool, one point here, another point here and also another point here, press enter. Now click one point here, one here and also another here, press enter. Go to object mode, select these two objects, turn off the X-ray mode, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history, go to face selection mode, select this face, this one, this one, this one, this one, this, select the faces as shown, this face and also this face, press delete. And delete as shown. Now go to vertex selection mode, again turn on X-ray mode, select this vertex and move this one, now select these two vertices, click merge, merge the near vertices select these two, merge, now turn off X-ray mode, go to object mode, now again go to vertex mode, select these vertices, click merge, now click extrude and move down, just like this. Again go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, press 3 to see the smooth shape, turn off wireframe on shaded mode, see, go to modify center pivot, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move it just here. Move slightly back. Press Shift plus D to duplicate a special. See, in this process you can create classical vaulted ceiling in Maya. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.